Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Now, this was sent to me for review from a company from Amazon called Elekparts. This is actually a universal floor stand that is compatible with all phones, tablets, Kindles, e-readers, you name it. Now, I am going to have to put this together, but we're going to take it out of the box and see what it does look like. And it is nicely packaged, and they do send directions. So this is the product, and I hope y'all can see. I know there's a little bit of glare. It's kind of late in the afternoon. I'm having to use my lights. But it shows that it has a metal base. It's got two support rods. It's got a folding arm and a pull chuck. So once it is put together, this is what it's going to look like, if y'all can see that. Okay. Now, I've not took anything out. I had just pre-opened the cardboard. So I am going to go ahead and let's take everything out. And this is where you put your phone or your tablet. And let's see. Now, this is my phone, and it's a Galaxy. So this is not the one that I normally use to video, but it's smaller than the one that I use to do my video. So you can see that it does work. I have a tablet, but I don't have it in here with me. But you can see that it does work with my phone. So if it works with my phone, it's going to work with a tablet. So here is the arm, and it is going to be adjustable right here on how tight that you're going to want it. Right now it's pretty tight. This is going to go on here. And I mean, it's basically, you know, the same thing as if you have one that goes, you know, that clamps onto your desk. It's going to be put together basically the same way. It's just this one's going to have a floor stand. Try not to hit the phone. So here's the stand, and this is like heavy. Not like major heavy, but it's quite heavy. And it's nice and slick. And then it has this on the bottom of it, so it's not going to scratch your floor. It's kind of felt. It feels almost like felt, but sort of rubbery. It's smushy, so it's not going to scratch your floor. Just making sure nothing else is in there. So we're just going to remove that cardboard and all this plastic. Get this off my desk. I might be able to just put this together right here on camera. Alright, so basically, let's see. Let me read these instructions. So, okay. So this is going to just screw onto here. Let me just pull y'all up some so that you might, let me see. You might be able to see what I'm doing here. I don't know if y'all be able to see everything because this is going to be pretty tall. I think it said, let me see, it says that the height range is 27.5 inches to 55 inches. And the rotation of this is going to be 360 degrees. So you're going to be able to rotate it all the way around. So let's see. This is going to just screw right onto this one. Okay. And then this, you just set this in the floor. This is just going to go right into here. I don't know which way. Let's see. I don't really guess it matters. Does it? No, not really. Okay. So I'm just going to push this part down in there. All right. And then, let's see. I don't know what y'all can see and what you can't see, so let's see. We'll just, okay. Maybe that's not how that works. Let's see. Does that, yeah. So that just goes right on. It just goes right on there. Lord, if I can just get it to go on straight. I'm crooked about everything. Yeah, I'm going to end up cross-threading this. I couldn't draw a straight line if I tried to. I don't even know if I had to do all that. Yeah, I probably did. So anywho, this is how it goes on. So now we're on there, and let me just put my phone on here, just, you know. So if I was recording with this phone, I would just put this on here, and, you know, I can turn this any way I want. And if I was wanting to record something behind me, I can get an overhead view or whatever. And I'm just going to take y'all off here so y'all can get a look at what this looks like. So there is the floor, if y'all can see it. Never mind, my floor probably needs to be swept and mopped again. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can see it. So again, this is from Elekparts, and it is compatible. It's a universal floor stand. It's compatible with all phones and tablets, as y'all can see. It can hold tablets, phones, Kindles, e-readers. It is ideal for when you want to recline. It's ideal for in your bed, if you want to lay in bed and read or watch a movie, or sit in your recliner and watch a movie. If you are sitting in your recliner, your chair, on your couch, bed, whatever, crocheting, and you want to watch YouTube, you can just set this right there on the floor and, have it looking straight at you, and you can watch whatever you want while you're doing whatever you're doing. The arm, as you can see, is flexible because you've got this arm and you got this little thing right here, and you can adjust it, and then you can tighten it. And it goes up, and you can put it back down. Any way you want to do it. So yeah, I don't think this is too bad. So, what am I leaving out? Swivel head. It's good for making overhead videos. I guess that's about it, y'all. So, what do y'all think? I think it's pretty cool. And I want to say thank you to Elekparts. I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. For sending me this for review on my channel to show to everyone. And I will leave a link to this in my description box so that y'all can check this out. And yeah, just leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. And until my next video, y'all, I guess I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.